Hey everyone, so this is a quick little behind the scenes in terms of how I capture some of my YouTube videos. So this is my tripod. I will have a video coming up on this particular tripod and why I chose it. I have a quick release on there which I've actually got connected to my camera at the moment, and then what I do to get my top-down shots is basically I've just got this very simple arm rigged up. This is just a normal smartphone sort of rig, and originally I was actually connecting this part directly to the table itself. But what I found was anytime you touch the table, obviously you do get all those vibrations, everything coming through the actual camera itself, because this itself isn't very sturdy. So as you'll see, it does shake about quite a bit. So every time I touch the table, it would literally shake the camera, and then I'd have to edit my video, not using any clips where there's too much movement. So it's literally just the camera facing straight down, and then I have the choice of using the wide angle lens or switching to the telephoto or ultra wide accordingly. What I sometimes do is I also have the Insta360 just on this corner here. At the moment I'm literally just using daylight, so as you can see at the moment it'll be blown out because I've not got an ND filter applied. I then have the TV lights, well the cabinet lights in the background. Sometimes I turn on the little flowers as well. Today I didn't because it's too bright, so you won't be able to see them. And then occasionally I'll add some lighting on this side as well. Now I do actually have some sort of studio lights set up as well, but I'm not using them currently because during the day I actually have enough hours where I can actually get the videos filmed and not have to worry about setting up additional lighting. As you can see, this was the video that I did for the new Apple TV 4K, and this is how I get some of my B-roll shots, where I'll just place it here and then just do a few panning shots after the fact, just to get some extra footage essentially. So yeah, that's basically a quick behind the scenes look for those who have been asking how I'm getting my top-down shots in this particular room. Obviously you can go the whole C-stand and get a whole setup, but the idea behind this is it's all very fast to set up and then put away. So all I do is I undo this, fold that up, that then goes into that cabinet down there. The table folds away and I just put it into that corner there for now, and then obviously the little stool that I actually use, I just put it in the corner of the room over there. So yeah, it's all very fast to set up. I can usually get this set up within about 5-10 minutes, shoot the video and then get it all packed away again. I do have my little YouTube sign just down there. Most of the videos you won't actually be able to see that because of the bokeh in the background and everything's being blurred out, but that's fine. I'm not too fussed on that. This was literally just to give you an indication in terms of a very simple way of being able to get stable top-down shots. One thing I forgot to mention was the actual base plate on the tripod itself. Usually you would actually have it flush back. Now because this is also adding some weight at the back of the tripod head, and because the actual locking mechanism is pretty good in terms of the weight and everything that can take, I'm not really too fussed about having that too far forward, even though the lens that I've got on this particular camera is relatively heavy. But yeah, that's all stable. I can just undo that quickly, take the phone out, and then it's all good to go.